Okay, on my previous video, return line hose on this Odyssey 3.5, I did a temporary fix. Now I got the right brand new return hose and ready to install. So I'm gonna take this one out, and it's pretty easy. From the rack, I loosened that nut already. That screw I'm in, it's like a 10mm socket. I put it on top of the screw, and then the bottom of this line, same thing, 10mm socket. Loosen them up. Just loosen the hose in the bottom of that rubber first, so that drain the fluid. And then when it's drained, plug it back in. Plug up the steel line so you won't lose a lot of fluid. The main thing is you need to drain this rubber one right here. And if you go up on the top, the one on top should come out easy. This guy right here. So this is the hose that I'm gonna take out from the rack right here. The clamp is loose already. You just need to pull the hose out. Gonna pry. I can spin the hose. I'm gonna just pry it out using the flat screwdriver. Oops, hold on. Readjust. There you go. This is tough with doing a recording. Make sure it's focused. Make sure I'm on the right angle and the lighting. The lights is like the key so that you can see what you're doing. And I need to have a view for what I'm doing, so I can see everything what's going on. So like this should have been done like half an hour ago, because I had to get the camera ready and plug in the light and get the right angle, find out which way. So anyways, gonna pull that thing off here. I'm gonna just pause it for a sec and show you. Alright, got the old one out. Just kind of match from the new one here. Make sure we're on the same size and the same length, shape. So that's the part number on the return hose to the pipe. And the bend here is gonna go to the rack, and then the straight one is going to the steel line to the cooler. The best, it came with the hardware, this clamp. I'm not gonna use this clamp. Using this clamp, I don't know, I just not, it depends on some people. They like using this, it's easy. For me, I don't want to use this because of it's just, I just don't like using it. I just like to use the original clamp from the Honda. This band rubber, not rubber, is steel band clamp right here. This is what you tighten it with. That's what I use. I'm gonna reuse that. It's a lot better. It's not gonna strip or anything. I know a lot of people out there don't like, especially like you know, any mechanic out there don't like to do redo work or come back vehicle. It's not good doing a job like that, because you don't get an extra, you know, pay doing it. I did a temporary fix on the beginning because of the owner of this vehicle. They have 2-3 kids, and it needs to get done, and it's winter out there. They need the vehicle, so that's why I did the temporary fix on that old hose. I just put a fitting and clamps on it, and now it's back to install the original hose, and hopefully that it won't leak again. All right, let's put this new one in back to the rack. Whoops. Come on. Trying to get a good spot. Yeah, just put it in there, and same thing on the bottom. Be the best bet too is put oil in there so they would slide right in. There you go. I put oil on that steel shaft so that I could slide this rubber in there and be nice and snug. That's it. Just clamp that down and clamp it in the bottom of the boat. There you go.